my loves, welcome to my new channel. This is Spotlight on Jules. My name is Jules, and in my channel we're going to be talking about makeup, beauty, anything that makes you look beautiful, glamorous. Don't get me wrong, I'm still learning how to do makeup. I didn't go to any beauty school or any school. I'm self-taught. So yeah, anyone that wants to follow me and subscribe to my channel, we'll learn together. Also, we're also going to be talking about, drugstore makeup, high-end makeup. I'll do makeup looks as well. I'm always going to give you my honest opinion on what I think. Is it worth it to buy? I'm always going to keep it real. It's not that I'm going to be talking about, the makeup brand or anything like that. But if I didn't like it or I don't think it's worth for you guys to go buy, I'm definitely always going to be honest. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to be in this channel. Makeup has been a passion of mine. Like I said earlier, it's been something I've always, as a little girl, always was running to the makeup store all the time, asking my mom, please buy me this, please buy me that. So yeah, so I'm really, really excited to be here in the YouTube world. So, and I'm sorry if I sound a little nervous. I'm sorry, this is my first time doing anything like this, even being in front of a camera. I'm not a shy person, but I am a little nervous. So yeah, so I'm really, really appreciate anybody that, will see my videos and subscribe to me. I really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to be on YouTube and share everything that I love to do. And I love to, it's a passion of mine. It brings so much happiness to myself. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. And, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.